Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We'll see yet another video around the web services and how you can get the list of all the users through the web services. Yes, so coming to external services, and here I have to add list users 2025. First we'll have to add external service. So I'm going to enable it and no capability as of now. Alright, and I have to add a functions here. So functions will have to add. So before that you should know the function. So for that I will come to API list here, API documentation, and you will get the here list users. Okay, so user list users like this. So get enroll users, enroll um, log, delete user. So core user get users. Alright, so this is a function that may be giving you the list of details. Got it? So this is the function I will have to add there. Again, I will go back to my service. Sorry, not here. Service, and this is function. Add this function I will have to add. Okay, for search for this. Got it? So both I am going to add, but only one I will be accessing. Clear? So I have added the required function now. Now I am going to create a token. So manage token, create token, list users 2025. Uh, so I am going to add my name here, admin. Yeah, this one enable. So I will select here. This is 25. I just created. Now this. So this is the token I will have to use. Now again go back here. This, and here the function name will come up. So the function name was this. Now invalid parameter. Yes, so parameter I will be putting the correct one here. So let me see what how the parameter will be passed. So criteria. Okay, since this come with a required parameter criteria, so I have prepared this one. Okay, so criteria ID, this email, and this. So this is for all the users. In case you need only a specific one, you can pass the param here. Suppose you need this one only, you can pass like this. Right, so one user will appear, but in case you need all the users, then we'll have to pass here only percent sign. Right, so now I can see list of all the users within my system, you see here. Okay, so this is all we'll have to use to get the list of all the users within the systems. All right, so this is the functions core user get users, then we'll have to pass the parameters like this. Even you can go for id then all. So this is symbol of so no, let's try here. No, so in case you want the id number 3, it will give you details. Id number 1. Okay, so like this. But in case you need all the names, you'll have to type like this.